All right, so the next move that I'm going to cover are tabletops. For this, you're going to start flat. Again, your flag is pointing to the right. Your right hand is underhand with your thumb on the tab, or thumb facing the flag, and your hands are at the tab. Your left hand is at the bottom cheater, and your thumbs are also facing the flag and your overhand. So what you're going to do is you're going to turn to your left, and you're going to step out with your right foot, and you're going to lift your flag and then bring it flat behind you. So it's going to look like this. And to do that, you're going to bring the flag up like you're in a right shoulder. However, when you do this, you're turned to the side, so it is at your side, and then you're going to pull the pole back and push the flag part down until it is flat. And then you're going to just turn your body until you're facing forward and it's still at your side, but then you're going to continue and bring it until it is flat. Then you're going to do the same on the right side. So you're going to turn to the right, you're going to lift up, and then drop straight back, and then turn until it's flat. To do that, you're going to, so here, and then you're going to bring it kind of in a round sort of way, so push with your left hand and draw in and up with your right, and then back behind your head, behind your shoulder, have it be flat at your hips, and then circle around and keep going until you're flat. From behind it looks like this. And make sure when you do this, you are pointing with the opposite toe. And those are tabletops.